SOS on the time. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Maybe you could be my solace. Only 말투가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 때 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 내 가슴이 떨릴 때다. 나도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아올 때마다 고백 연습하는 날. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime. 얼어붙을까봐 그냥 서있어 계속 붙어있어 많은 사랑 노래들 이런 뻔한 가사를 쓰지만 다른 노래와는 달라. 너를 위해 쓴 게 아니잖아. 선물이 된 노래야.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another day of vlog, and I'm so excited for this vlog because I'm gonna show you something that I recently got from a brand, and this is the Teddy Blake New York bag. I'm so excited, guys, because I already used this yesterday when we went to the church, and all I can say is really worth it. So this comes in this big box like this. It comes with a lot of tissue papers and all of that, and it has a dust bag here, and it says Teddy Blake New York. What I got is this one. This is the Teddy Blake Giorgia in 14 inches in the color dark blue. So this is how it looks like, guys. So it has gold details here for the lock, and you can unlock that, and it will give you the flap. So inside you will see it's made of leather. It smells like when you buy a new car and it smells like leather. That's how it smells. So it also comes with this studs here to protect your bag when you put it on the table. It comes also with this strap. What I love about these straps is this one. Nice leather that looks like a belt. It doesn't look like the usual adjustable straps for bags, you know what I mean? What I love about Teddy Blake as well is the very minimal letters here for their brand that only says Teddy Blake New York, and it's not in your face, Teddy Blake New York. So this is what I love about this. It's just very minimal, very subtle. It doesn't make you feel like I'm bragging my bag. You know what I mean? All of their bags are made by experienced craftsmen, so you will really see the stitching. I love the stitches here because you don't really see stitches when you're from afar, so that's very neat. Teddy Blake's bags ranges from $300 to $600, and they are more affordable compared to other luxury brands. And I know a lot of Filipinos who are here in the US, you guys really love buying branded stuff and branded bags. I can suggest that you can buy this one, and I assure you will not regret buying this. So thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for giving this. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to use this. I will leave the link in the description box down below for you to check more of Teddy Blake's bags. They have more designs in their website right now. They have bags like this. They have smaller bags as well for you girls who doesn't really like bringing big bags. But this is really good for me because whenever I go to the church, I bring a lot of stuff as well, or whenever I wanna go travel. This is just the vibe we're in. You're using this one in the airport. I don't know why. It just gives me that vibe, or a vibe we're in. A girl is working in a corporate world with this bag. Again, thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for this bag. And now, guys, let's continue with the activities for our day off.
Hindi rin. Pag ganyan lang.
Sino natin magtago ang dry piece ba?
Bakit kasi tinanggal pa yung mas-mas na yan?
Komportable naman kami.
Komportable na kami nakamas.
Hindi na rin may tago ang pimples.
I couldn't see with how close I was.
Like this.
It's not hard to find if your grip is loose enough. How lucky to be by your side, to feel your stare. Sick as a dog, I run my head through your hair.
Uy, sosyal naman ng ano mo, Promencio.
Ni? Grabe, dami yung makakarga. Hindi ba naman yung plastic niya? Okay.
Ba, sosyal. Wait a second. Oh, yun. Ito na yung lock niya. Hindi, kargahan na natin to ng gamit bago tayo magpunta. Oops, shoot, masira pa ata.
Wait lang, huwag mong persahin na hindi nakalapat. Dito sa taas. Tapos may lock na pala siya.
Paano siya maglalak? Ay, sosyal.
Last na to, di ba?
Last na yan eh. Uy, wow. Sosyal mo namang maging mekaniko ngayon sa kalsada niyo, Promencio. Parang ito ata ang mananakaw na susunod. Close your garage. Madali nang manakaw ang tools.
Tapos may mga ano pa siya, oh, tali. Tapos ito pwedeng separate na gano'n.
Kung yan lang yung kailangan niya, no? Hindi, kunin na niya lahat para hindi siya baon ng baon. Rosing! Gagano na naman siya. Uy, mukhang gusto rin niya. Wala na sis. Last na yan.
Saan ko ilalagay? May 2 bucks naman na ako, $5 lang.
Uy, $5 yung toolbox niya. Baring-ring pa. Hindi nagkakot.
Ay! Yun.
Oh, nice!
I wanted you to see Viso at night, where once a year the rain obscures the sight. I kissed the water from your mouth, toiling with the thought of nothing, and how nothing ever stays the same. My heart will change. I wait for nothing. The intense rearrange, making space where there was none before. I don't want you, not anymore. Running circles right back to your door. And I'm so tired of trying to change your mind. For the last last time. City of love and of heartbroken fools. The streets are alive and remind me of you. And I can't go quiet on a Brooklyn bound train, so I stand alone in the Manhattan rain. Look at you through rose-colored shades. Try to hide it, but you won't ever change. Got me so tired, you're running round my mind, overthinking all the time. City of love and of heartbroken fools. The streets are alive and remind me of you. And I can't go quiet on a Brooklyn bound train, so I stand alone in the Manhattan and I still see your face on the east side. The city sleeps today. City of love and of heartbroken fools. The streets are alive and remind me of you. And I can't go quiet on a Brooklyn bound train, so I stay